I'm speaking to you today from Microsoft Teams. I'm not usually in Microsoft Teams because I prefer Zoom, but today I'm here because I know many of you use Teams, and I wanted to show you a really cool trick for your presentations. Now, usually when you present on Teams, there are your slides on the screen, and you are a little box in the corner that nobody can see. Maybe you like this, but it's not the most impactful way to present. I'm going to show you a really cool trick you can do. So I'm going to share, and let me choose my window. So here's my slide, and I'm going to choose this. It's Standout Presentation. So you can see, you can make yourself bigger or smaller, and you can move yourself from one side to the other. Why is this more impactful? Your audience is drawn to moving images. All humans are. That's why we love to watch TV, and you can't take your eyes off the TV when it's on in a restaurant or bar. So when you present, usually it's just your slides on the screen, and your slides are static. It's not interesting for human eyes. Whereas if you are in front of your slide and you are moving, naturally people's eyes will be drawn to your presentation. So I encourage you, next time you have to make a presentation on Teams, just try this standout mode and see how it goes. And of course, let me know.